This is a how-to video on changing and servicing the oil on your BRG-300 blind rivet gun by Grade A Tools. What you'll need for the service is a 5/32 Allen wrench, the oil injection syringe that was supplied in your kit. Let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is remove the oil screw or the oil inlet screw. You'll remove the screw. You'll take your oil injector. You'll screw it on. You'll push down, making sure that you're not over injecting it. You don't want to force feed it. You just want to slowly push it in. Once you feel like it's full, you will take the tube out, replace your screw, hook your air supply to it, cycle it a few times, open it back up, let any air escape out of it, and then reapply oil to it. You'll only need to do that once or twice. Then you are ready to go. Thank you for watching and ordering products from Grade A Tools.